Hello friends, hope you all are fine. Today I will share some of my favorite personally used foundations and concealers for oily skin, which I found best after trying so many others. I have oily skin, so I consider these must-have foundations in my makeup vanity. I will start from Focalair Skin Evolution Foundation. Its shade is 1.5. It's for fair skin. If you want high coverage in reasonable price, but if you like matte look, then let me inform you it's a little bright and gives shiny look. Its price is budget friendly although. Next one is Maybelline Fit Me. It's my most favorite foundation. Its shade is 105. I have also shade 115. This is very beautiful shade and natural. It's very smooth, blendable and skin friendly foundation. It gives no full coverage but best for regular use. If you don't like full coverage and you don't like cakey look, so you can use it on weddings too. You can also use it after moisturizer as a BB cream. You can use it as a tint moisturizer after mixing few drops of it in your moisturizer. Overall, it is best. It's must-have product in your makeup vanity too. Next is also Maybelline Fit Me, but it's in bottle form. It's normal to oily skin, SPF 22. Its shade is 112. This gives a full coverage as compared to Maybelline foundations in tubes. It gives a smooth matte finish with complete coverage. Shade 112 is also very beautiful. If you are looking for fair skin, these three shades are for you. These three shades are really very beautiful for a normal fair color. They give a very natural look. So here's the next one is Lucius Soft Light All Day Glow Foundation. It's oil free, invisible, natural matte, buildable coverage. If you have oily skin and you don't like a matte finish all the time, so it's for you. While being oil free, it's also give you a glowy look. It's buildable coverage but not so high coverage. You can say its coverage is 75%. Its blending is amazing, very light and very smooth. This is the quality of that foundation, that it blends very smoothly. You can see. Next one is L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hours Matte Foundation. I literally love that foundation. I am using 1-2 Natural Rose color. If you have fair skin, then this shade is best for fair skin. This is also a must-have foundation for oily skin peeps. It's completely full coverage foundation and it's worth buying. Next one is Krylon TV Stick. This is all-in-one foundation. First of all, let me told you that there are a lot of copies of that foundation in market. If you want to purchase original one, then you have to scratch this code and send that code on the number that is given on the tube. It's a full coverage foundation. It's best for bridal looks and party looks. I will tell you in my next video that in how many ways you can use this foundation. Overall, you can use it as a full coverage foundation. First of all, as a concealer, you can use its darker shades as contour and highlighting parts. You can make a light coverage out of it by mixing it in some moisturizer. You can use it in your waterline to make your eyes look more bigger and more brighter. Now let's talk about some best concealers. The first one is LA Pro Girl Concealer. This is very best concealer. I like it so much, that's why I want to share with you people. I'm using it in the shade Porcelain. It's best for fair skin. Always remember, if you are using a concealer, its shade must be fairer than your foundation. Next concealer is of Wet n Wild. It's also very best concealer, photo focus concealer. Its shade is also very amazing and it's a little fairer than my other foundations. Next is also Wet n Wild. This is in stick form. Its one side is for concealing and the other side is for contouring purposes. Both concealer and contour colors are amazing. You can say this color is alternate of Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I really like this color. Its contour color is also very soft. It's not create sharp edges. It's easily blendable with your foundation. Check this shade. You can use this shade for bronzing purposes also. Next is Miss Rose concealer. It's available in very reasonable price, very budget friendly, but it's also competitive to these all other foundations and concealer. Its shade is really very amazing. I normally use it as my foundation for no makeup look. Check, this is ivory color. It's also a bit fair than my foundation. So overall it's a beautiful concealer. These all foundations are best for normal to oily skin. I personally use them, I like them, so I consider it necessary to share it with you people. So if you like this foundation, like my video, subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.